With the emphasis on community, we wanted to find an effective way of managing our WhatsApp communities because we have a few. We found the WhatsApp web assistant is a game changer for organizations like ourselves. Um, and I can well imagine that this would apply to businesses and individuals as well who rely on WhatsApp for communication because it is such a widely used medium. The WhatsApp web assistant extension automates and enhances your ability to communicate effectively using WhatsApp because it automates and it enhances your WhatsApp experience.